Greetings. Today I'm going to be talking about a dust mask from Base Camp that I'm going to be trying out. I've been using the 3M 6300 respirator, and I've found that becomes uncomfortable over time, so I was looking for a mask that I could wear that would be comfortable when I'm milling or cutting firewood, that would allow me to breathe and not get all fogged over with my glasses. And so I found this mask. They actually sent me a sample of it, and I'm going to test out today with milling a black walnut log. Some of the features of this are it has an active carbon filter, has enhanced breathability. This features one-way exhalation valves. Also has EAPI filter technology. And this is the M Pro version. Okay. Suggested applications for this mask are particulates, grinding, sweeping, sanding, bagging, and mowing. For vapors and contaminants, you can use it for painting, varnishing, pollution, mechanic work, public safety work, and medical use. As far as allergens, you can use it for gardening, outdoor activities, and animal grooming. This mask features active carbon filters and exhalation valves for easy breathing and exhaust moistures so your glasses aren't fogged up, which happens to me often with the other respirator, the 3M respirator I was using. My glasses would always fog up, so I'm hoping this one works differently, and excited to try it out. on probably for an hour and a half, and I could breathe good, and it didn't fog up my glasses. So this is an awesome mask. Awesome mask. I'll put a link down in the description if you want to check it out. Thanks for watching.